The local news. President Isaias Afwerki returned home today, concluding a 3-day working visit to Qatar. During his stay, the president yesterday held talks in Doha with the Emir of Qatar, Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, on enhancing bilateral relations and ties, cooperation and partnership, as well as issues of interest to both countries. Families of the 20th round national service in Sawa said their offsprings are effectively pursuing their status with zeal. They made the remarks following a visit to Sawa Training Center. The parents said they witnessed the shouldering of responsibility of the part of the participants in addition to actively pursuing their studies. Moreover, they lauded the care being demonstrated by their lecturers. The Agriculture Ministry's branch in Bakla area, Nakfa subzone, said about 3,000 temperate fruits, including apple, peach and olive oil, among others, have been planted in the administrative areas of Bakla, Marat, Indilal and Laba are in good condition. Adam Ahmed, in charge of the ministry's office, said the favorable climatic setting in the area, coupled with ample water, favors irrigation activities besides active community participation, thus giving impetus to the higher output. He also said 90% of the temperate fruits have flourished well and that apple and peach have reached reaping stage. Mr. Osman Abdul Qadir, head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the Southern Eritrea region, said pertinent activities by the union in schools are a prerequisite towards reinforcing the teaching-learning process. He said students should demonstrate active participation. Mr. Osman made the remarks at a meeting with the Fambo junior and secondary school students, during which he said the objective of the union is to nurture youth with high awareness and the required knowledge. In this regard, the news is making stepped-up efforts towards nurturing social and PFDJ values to the young generation. He also said festivals organized in schools jointly by the Ministry of Education and the union have vital significance in enhancing their all-round creativity and competence. The Ministry of Labour and Human Welfare's branch in Mokli subzone indicates financial and other type of support has been extended to needy citizens and families of martyrs. Alsi Yamana, in charge of the branch office, said 4 offsprings of martyrs were rehabilitated through 30,000 nakva each, while needy students in the subzone have received educational materials and 500 nakva each for a similar purpose. Accordingly, over 4 million nakva has been initially being dispersed to families of fallen heroes on the basis of monthly benefit scheme this year, and a third one is due to be conducted shortly. The beneficiaries' families expressed satisfaction with the gesture and voiced readiness to strive to take good care of the orphaned children.